Whoever knew we'd be up in this car. Whoever knew. Go out and die without you. But not without you. You can live my life, babe. Not without you. Whoever knew. Whoever knew. Hey. I didn't even know how to talk to you.
Unknown things, unknown project.
Here for an hour and a half. We could see the border and the mall. That's why we had to walk the kids. Like, we just had to get out of the car.
Oh wow.
We sat here still. We were running.
Oh there. Oh, so there it is, right there.
Yeah, Gringo
Oh my
Pass.
gosh.
Motel.
All right, we be coming to the border.
We come in fence crossing.
5 miles. Yes.
Gringo
We're
Pass
we're
Motel.
coming into Mexico.
Gringo Pass. Yeah, it's for gringos. The rumble strips ahead. I remember, no, when we were coming out, there was this really nice guy when we were coming out of Mexico.
Oh.
These x-ray things.
Oh, that's for technique scans. And he was like, we were coming out of Mexico, and this guy was like, oh, are you guys in like a band or something? Your family looks like it would be a band.
So last time they were stopped back there when they jumped up. Everybody was going through that.
This is probably where they're gonna jump up at.
Right now?
You don't think they will? Yeah, they're gonna stop us and search us. Search the car.
Wave on.
Really?
Yeah, so last time we were here,
Wow.
here, those are the window wipers, see? There's a beggar and a window wiper.
I feel like I just enter a whole different time zone.
Yeah, this
bro.
is crazy, guys. They selling taco fishes over there?
Yeah, as long as you don't roll down your window, just don't.
Yeah,
because
when
then they'll
make
come up to you. There's people, these are, look, see, look. Damn. They have a whole squad up there of people cleaning that window. Look, straight.
Honey, sit
You
down.
can't go anywhere because what are you gonna do? You're gonna
Sit
run
back.
over people.
Yeah, you can.
Look, this person's
Taco
car's
fish.
overheating over here. Right at the, imagine, right at the border.
Right at the fucking border, and you want to leave. Is you trying to leave?
This is what it's like. This is
Mexico.
This is Mexico.
Mexico.
This
Look at
person's
that
selling
house.
plants.
That's a nice house.
They're selling pottery.
So this is Sonoida.
Okay, Sonoida.
Oh, there's another dinosaur out. Paris.
Oh, look to the left. Yeah, left, guys. Look.
Dinosaur.
Dinosaur.
Statue dogs too.
Wow.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll see a real
Yeah.
Mexican street
now
dog.
what?
I know, I seen one on the way
Oh
here.
my
There's
God.
one right there.
Now what? What are we doing now?
Maybe it's her. She probably didn't get the latch on
Maybe
good
she's
enough.
going to the Pasadena market. It's like,
Well, now she's gonna left my garage. She probably doesn't know.
oh, you want to call her?
Now there's a lion here.
Yeah.
Probably want to tell her blinkers on.
It's like they really be out here just sitting in the middle of the street nowhere. Like it's like this state is struggling or something.
Yeah.
It is.
Oh, it totally is.
You could look at it. It just looks like it's not modern. It's
Yeah.
just back from whenever it was
Yeah,
here.
I mean, look at the cars.
Military in
Yeah.
this little area.
Yeah,
That's
because.
what the guy probably had on his video.
Oh yeah. See, look.
Oh
look.
yeah, look at the puppies. This is so.
There's a gas station over here. I don't even know if that's a gas station.
But
I don't think.
oh, it's a gas.
Yes, honey.
Maybe it's a
The
water.
main gas.
It might be a water
built
thing,
it
like
right
90
this
miles
road.
an hour.
Like,
It's only like.
Imagine that's so sketchy back there.
Dude, that's what I'm
car,
saying.
That car had like just a hole cut in its bumper.
like with his back hunch with his arms out and shit.
Okay, she found it.
Mexico,
unbuckled.
baby.
Me now.
Oh, you're unbuckled. Good one, Mom.
Right.
What's going on? Okay.
What?
Now we're going out.
Right.
What? Wait. Oh.
Did we pass the villa?
I think we passed the parking lot. I'm so confused.
she.
I don't know. Oh, the parking lot.
Our friends almost bought. She said number 1. What they bought down there.
So this is the parking. We passed the parking.
Yeah, but yeah.
He watches too much Peppa Pig. He has a British accent now.
Yeah.
Daddy.
Tati.
All right. We at the house, y'all. We in Mexico. We in Mexico. All right, let's see. Ooh, this is so pretty. Oh, I like that pool.
No, there's just one set. Oh, but there's 2 layers. Yeah. The next layer is like where the rooms are, and then there's one up to like the lower.
This is nice.
I was like, no, don't.
Rihanna's already trying to go up the stairs. Everybody be careful.
Especially Donnie.
Donnie, please be careful. Hold this one, Donnie, if you need to. And be careful. All right. Whoa, look at that room. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, this is the tub. I seen this on the pictures. This is nice. Ooh. So, I don't know how to unlock it. We'll have to unlock it later. It's okay. Come on. Come on, guys. Because we got to go unload the... Oh, it's another flight of stairs. These are rooms? A bathroom. Oh, this is a nice room too. Oh.
This is where me and my mom.
Okay. I like this room. It's a bathroom, Vanea? I know. We could walk through to your brother's room. Whoa. Whoa, another room. Pretty. Is this a bathroom? Yes. A bathroom. Oh, this is hot up in here. It's like, come on, just turn the light off. Okay, let's go up to the next stairs. Come on, Vanessa. Leave that alone. Ha. Up to the next stairs. We're going up. Oh, we can't go up there. Come on. The door's locked. Oh, okay. Come on. We don't need to go up there. You should have waited, Rihanna, so you could eat some chips. Everybody could have ate at the same time. I was just giving that to you to hold. He's right here. He's doing him. Don't scream. Don't scream. I'm right here next to him. Okay, be quiet, guys. Inside voices. Donnie, walk slow. Walk, Donnie.
Hello down there.
Okay, come follow me.
I know, I wanted to.
So you walk in.
Babe.
It's dark.
Also, there's 4 different. So you walk in, and here's our bedroom, the dresser, and then our TV. And you come right here. You have
The bathroom is in here. And then a jacuzzi, a shower, a toilet. I didn't come all the way in here. And a closet. Okay. That was nice. Cool beans. And you can see right outside if you're taking a bath.
Time, Donnie, that's a water here you don't want to put in your mouth. Like, rinse your mouth and brush your teeth. So there's a gallon of water for every bathroom.
Okay, thank
I
you.
want to make sure the kids don't put it in their mouth either.
Man.
Okay.
That's crazy.
That is.
And that real safe one's from
Really?
here. Yeah.
The water's that bad.
Not out, I mean, it's like here. Oh,
What do you... Oh. They stress me out. Yeah, because they just graduated from a class for a swim lesson. And Paris learned how to like swim all the way to the bottom to grab it in 3 feet. So they could do 3 feet because he swims without a floaty in 3 feet at the pool, at the swimming lessons. We're walking. We get to walk the beaches through the resort right there.
Oh wow, that's beautiful. I didn't like Mexico.
Yeah. Oh, look, there go the beach right there.
I see the beach.
Look at that, y'all. Y'all. We are at the beach. We about to see the whole beach. Yes, y'all, we is at the beach. We are in New Mexico. Or Mexico. What? The air?
My back.
Yeah. Here we go. Here is the beach. I'm dark, the lighting is bad up in here. There we go. It's coming back. But yeah, Dee Dee's back there. And here we go. Here's like the pool and the beach. You go. This is nice. This is nice, Mark.
Yeah, like over there. See that spot?
Okay, yeah.
You just have to swim.
Okay. That's cool.
Oh, and there's a hot pool. And that big pool isn't good enough for a hot pool.
Okay. Come on, Donnie. You okay, son? All right, let's go. We are on the beach. Yeah. Brianna, just follow everybody else. Oh, yeah, this is hot. Oh, this is hot. The sand. Okay.
Yeah, nice. Big green aisle. I don't care.
Wow!
Oh, yeah, this is nice. I know. They're so excited. Paris never been. A bird feather. Yeah. A seashell.
I just told him to give us a minute. Maybe we'll get some mango.
So y'all, we are at the beach. There is Paris over there. It's really windy. She got some water so she can come over here. She's not liking the beach right now. Dee Dee's down there with Vinaya and Mark. And then we got our other crew all the way in the back over there. But that's them. Hey Paris. Hey girl, you having fun? Yeah. You at the beach. You hate the seashell? Well, you wanted to go to the beach. This is the beach.
Oh God, it's hot.
Yeah.
Get
What's poppin', Royal Squad? Welcome back to our channel. I didn't do an intro yesterday, but we are in Mexico. This is day 2. We're all getting ready right now. We went to the beach yesterday. We finna go to the beach again at our resort or at a villa. It's our first time. It's a family vacation, so we got like nieces and nephews and cousins, and you know, it's pretty cool.
Okay. Sounds good.
All right, y'all, headed to the beach. Go get him. He left. You know you need your glasses, so we could be like, hey. Day 2, baby.
Day 2 with the shenanigans.
Yes, the shenanigans. Let's see. Hurry up, Dee Dee. We out here looking like fabulous mamianas.
Purr.
Big purr.
Purr.
Okay.
It just sound like Roman.
There we go. There go Daddy over there.
Daddy of the year.
Okay, come on now. Come on now.
Good out here.
It do. It's like windy. It's nice and pretty.
It's a little humid, but
a little humid, but it still feel good. And they pool in the beach and they pools. It's
like,
warm.
yeah.
It's not cold. So
in the breeze, it got a breeze.
the kids already up here with Annette.
Yeah,
They gone.
they couldn't wait.
I know.
They're like, we've been in this house all morning.
All morning. They ready to go.
People to get up.
I'm like, I'm waiting for what's the moves.
For real.
I'm like, I don't know the moves, but we could have got up without everybody.
I'm like, oh hell.
All of them.
Yeah, they was all of them.
Ooh, it smell like booty. Yeah.
Y'all went in the laundry house? The laundry
room? Yeah, it smelled like booty up in there too. Yeah. Yeah. You're funny, Dee. It's really windy today. And nobody's out here right now. It is really, really windy. Oh, I didn't know it was this windy. There go our kiddos. Day two, baby. Look at that. Look at that. We gotta ask the next. Okay, y'all. Hey, y'all. Okay, we here. Put it in the bag. Put it in the bag.
So I don't know. I wasn't down here, but I didn't know what pool they kind of swam in last time.
This kiddie pool right here.
Okay, so this is fine.
But then and then that one too. They was in the big pool
So we
too.
took this umbrella right here.
Oh, okay. This one.
Yeah. And then this place here.
Okay.
Because I thought if we went over there, it's too far, right, for the baby.
Kinda, yeah. I get,
Okay,
yeah.
and he's going. He can.
He's going. Yeah, yeah. You could just stand in there. So he was in there all day. So I'm like.
Oh my god. Oh my.
Annette. Annette's like, wait a minute. She's like, he's running. He's good. He's good, Annette. He's good. He was in there all day. Yeah, she's like, wait a minute. That's Donnie.
Oh, that's so good.
Yeah. Like, wait till you see him now, like how he was in the pool. He could really, like, he kind of even scared because he was scaring Brooksy yesterday too. Brooksy was like, he keeps going underwater. And I'm like, yeah, that's just what he does.
The kids around. He
Yeah.
has dad anxiety.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. He has dad anxiety, like.
Like she's just so chill.
Who, me? Who, me, babe? Yeah. I'm like, I'm chill. Y'all, I'm chill. I'm a chill parent. I stress sometimes, but not too much. But I'm going over here to go show Riri. Hey, Riri. Hey, girl, hey. Let me see. We'll get on the boogie board, girl. Let me see. There go Devon. He on the boogie board. Oh, no, you fell off again. He on there. Devon on there good. Yeah, that's deep. You probably can't be over here. No, probably. Have you been? Yeah, on those steps over here, remember? The steps right here. Hey, Donnie. Okay, I'm watching you. Go ahead. There goes Donnie and Vanea. I'm watching you, Paris. Go. I see you. They're swimming. Paris is a good swimmer now. We just finished swim lessons, so she's really been learning. Go, Donnie. Donnie still scares everybody, but he holds his breath underwater. Even though it looks like he's not.
Mommy, guess what?
Huh? Rihanna, please be careful by that wall. Scoot over a little bit. You gotta hop on. Like, no, like do one big like push off the floor. Yeah, like that. Keep going. Whole body. Yep, there you go. There you go. Not right now. I'm just. She went over.
That's why she keeps falling.
Okay. There they go. We got Mark and Vermont. What are you doing? Kamari. Okay, y'all. They in there. I'm about to go hang out with the grown-ups and go, you know, drink grown-up drinks. You know, I need a grown-up drink. And it's hot out here. But we in New Mexico. Y'all see that beach back there? Beautiful. I'm so happy. We out here. We having a good old time. Okay. shopping. So y'all, we got some mangoes, me and Rihanna. With some chamoy and tahini.
Right.
And there go Devon in the back. That's cousin Devon for the kids.
Right here.
And there go
watermelon.
Dad. Alcoholic, alcoholic beverage. And then there's Perry Berry.
Wait.
There's go Donnie. He was full of. Oh, you want to show you? Yeah. And then we got this nice little mango. We like it. And then let me see. Let me set up my.
Is that done?
Camera.
Is it done?
Almost.
Is
Or
it
no?
like a seed or something? I never ate a mango, so I'm trying to ask.
Did you taste this, babe? Babe, did you taste this? No. Taste it. And see. Oh. Hold this real quick so I could show them.
Okay, get this part.
So we got. So y'all, we also got some like chip in a bag with some like peanuts and some cucumbers and some chamoy stuff and chips. We never had it. It's okay. The kids kind of like it. We kind of like it, but hey, we don't know what we're eating. We was just trying something new. But later on, we're going on a boat ride, so we will come back then. I'll talk to you guys later. Yeah, but I'm not done. Me and Rihanna, and it's so super dark right here. And you can't see us. Look at us. We're dark. We're dark.
Took off all my bag right here. Man,
we're not that dark, Rihanna. Look, now if you get a little closer, we're not that dark.
I made it to this far in the video. I appreciate y'all. Get up on it.
How's your mango, Rihanna?
Good.
Okay, we're eating our mangoes. Get in the view. Get in the view. There we go. Oh yeah, now we're just looking good. We're eating our mango.
Then we're gonna play tag with my dad in the pool.
Okay. You told him that, or you just sized him up for that? Talked about it in his house. Okay. Donnie just told us about his stuff.
He said just let him take off his jewelry. I think they put it in my bag.
I really wish I had something to put this in.
Drink all of that and then make a hole in here and put it in. The last time we got that last taffy drink, it was good.
Oh yeah, from Circle K? Yeah, we definitely need to get one of those when we go back to Arizona. You want one of these again? Yeah. Those are really good. I like those. I don't know what they are, but they're like chamoy something.
They're like chamoy chunks.
Mm-hmm.
And they're like Mexican fruit. And those are fruit.
Mm-hmm. That's cucumbers. Mm-hmm. Mm. You taste one with the chip? It tastes good with the chip. Hold on, let me get you that. They're like. Yeah, these are all the ones. You like that? The chips make it good. That's good. I think I like it only because of the chips. If the chips wasn't in there, I don't think I would like it. You want one more?
No.
You want a chip?
No.
Just take it. Take a bite.
No, that's for it.
Take a bite. They taste a little bit like salsichas though.
No.
Johnny, you want to take a bite?
No.
Hey guys. Huh? Later on at like I think 5 we gotta go? Okay. They're like 13 15 and 14 and 16. Just ask, can you use their stuff? Yeah. I met them last night. Your dad was talking to their dad. I think I could probably save some for you. Just set it on.
Bye guys, I had fun.
You want that one?
I'm gonna get this.
You want it all? No? Just what? What you want on? You just want the pink? Oh, go ahead. Okay, so you're leaving me. Rihanna's leaving me, guys. By myself. I'm by myself.
I'll come back and check on you.
I'll just be watching y'all.
That's from you eating bologna. I mean the M&M's. I haven't seen no school out here.
It's from this. We're scratching with our fingers.
They must be like
Dad, do you know Daddy lost his thing?
It's okay.
And he's scratching the thing.
They look like they trying to build something. Gonna be building something.
I like to make something in this city.
Yeah, this has water.
These condo
Keller Williams Realty. Well,
Oh yeah, this is like a whole different town now.
This is
I think this is the place that I was talking about.
Yeah, they all
Whatever,
like
however you pronounced
stuff.
it.
yeah, so
I wonder how much it costs to rent those. Or like $50 or something like that.
Probably a little more than that.
what's he got? He's got some ceviche right there.
What's that?
Oh,
Like
ceviche, shrimp and like cilantro and liquor store right there.
Oh.
They said liquor store. Okay.
White dude in the background. Oh,
That?
fucking Mexico.
Wow, that is
Pharmacy.
We're walking out
yeah,
here.
you'll see pharmacies on every corner down here.
Real estate.
Pharmacy.
The fire truck.
Where, you
Oh,
like
here's the
it?
fire truck.
They had to come down here to get the tickets, but I don't know where. Like,
Where?
they had to go to an office.
Up and down this 20% of the.
Here's Dairy Queen right here.
No way.
Look, here's the shrimp.
Oh wow.
That's BBVA Bank.
Wow, and you got the freaking Dairy Queen, you got the
That's
VIP
Asian,
Subway.
Asian Express right there.
Well, I think I'm put some soul food out here then. If they out here surviving off of Asian Express.
Right.
But it's
They
like,
don't know they're missing fried chicken.
girl, you
Hot links.
tell them.
They don't know what they're missing.
They don't know. I know how to. I'm finna make this up.
Look at her. Is she over there
I mean,
dancing?
it's kind of fun, but I get sunburned in those things.
Yeah.
Cannons.
You need one with a roof. That's what you said.
Yeah, I need one with a roof. You know, also, I don't particularly want dirt flying on my face.
Nah, me neither.
I'd rather just ride in the car.
I really don't.
This is a
Oh,
hotel.
we got more table dancing up there.
Oh really? Oh yeah, right here.
This guy's selling hats. You got him? Got him
Yep.
on his-
Oh yep, he sure is. Make your hustle. We love to see entrepreneurs out here. They're just not big time entrepreneurs.
XOXO, this is Circle K.
So yeah, you'll see these pharmacies now like everywhere. Yeah.
It says MasterCard and Visa.
Okay. How much?
How much though?
Yeah, no, you gotta call
To
them.
come out here before we
You gotta call them.
what's the number?
I got it on the thingy. If I gotta look back.
Okay.
This guy's got coconuts too.
Okay.
He's making.
Have you had a? Oh, so coconut is what pina colada?
Yeah.
Okay.
You like pineapple and coconut usually, but.
Okay.
Oh really?
Oh. Look at the ships, guys. Look to the left. They just sit boats.
Storage or if it's what?
On a leash for the kids.
Oh.
Here you go.
And then here's the rest of them. I didn't put one on. No, and I didn't put this one on somebody.
These ones for the kids and the other ones for the adults?
Yeah, but we didn't put them on.
Let's just go down.
Okay.
There. Stay with the group.
We're gonna get it for you.
Yeah, I got you. Because I'm like, I don't know what I'm doing. Huh?
She's with us. And we have one person not coming.
All of them. What is that? How many is that? Make sure that's enough for us. How many is it of us? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yep, 12.
Is one more or no? 13. We're good.
We're good.
Okay.
Gracias.
Everybody that out there is on this thing. Mommy, I have to put that.
Where are you going, Mark?
Just getting up to you.
Okay. He said he's coming up there with you. Be careful of your step, guys. Come on. Watch your step. Go. Walk. Walk. Okay. Everybody watch their step. Do not be running around. We don't want nobody falling in no water. Yeah. We're gonna like swim in the ocean. Yeah, I guess. I don't know.
No, divide.
I can't believe Brooksy ditched us for the pirate ship.
I know. Listen out. On the pirate ship. We're on the pirate ship. We're on the pirate ship. I'm recording.
I wanted.
We're gonna work on it.
Yeah, we gotta wait.
2 hours. Everything's fine.
Yeah, probably. All right, guys. Who's ready? Who's ready? You ready? You not? You'll be okay. We about to be next. Oh, look at her little outfit, pirate outfit. This is so cool.
Oh, thank God he approved my my rental.
This is cool.
I've never seen this before.
Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? El
on the boat right there.
Is that? Oh. That's what I told her to. Well, at least we all know we're all seasick. We didn't know. We all ain't never been on a boat. I ain't never been on a boat.
Maximum, we call this OTO. You tell TT that. What Mark just said, next time let's not go on a boat.
Yeah, we're not going.
We call it an OTO and MaxFam, that means one time only.
Okay, OTTO. OTO. One time only. We got the experience and we're done now.
Someplace, we just OTO it.
Yeah, we're done.
I'm not eating on this boat.
You're not either?
I am.
After Matthew, you're good. Edie. Hush. Lay down, Dee.
Okay, lay down.
You can't go. Huh? You want that? Donnie's right there, baby. You want mommy? She went to the bathroom. She's back. You good with Amy? Amy, watch, okay? Shit! She went downstairs to do something. Come on.
Plug your nose. Do your dance. Go.
Go, come on.
Go. You're go.
Show me your moves. Go.
Flash your head.
Yeah. What? Go. Show me your moves. Go. Show Amy your moves.
Donnie's back. Dee Dee's back.
You back?
Y'all miss me? Did y'all miss me?
Yes. You back.
Shit, I was out for the count. What happened? Girl, hey, I'm out for this ride. I'm sleepy. Shut up, bro. Shut up. I'm like, y'all miss me?
Dee back.
We're back. We are back. I'm feeling better, but still sick.
Thank you.
I thought I was a thug.
This.
Hey, get ready in it, bro. Hey, I'm kind of sick, bro. I'm a little bit down.
He's sick.
Is that, hey, yeah. Hey, tell me where you get the ox, bro.
Where's his mother?
It's 30. Hey, little dude go hard. That's your brother?
Mexico. Yeah. Alright, Mexico. It's been fun. Thank you for having us. Yes, sir.
We're in the borderline.
It can be
Hours. Well, it is 9:53. Let's see when we are done.
They got pee plushies.
She said, shh.
No, look.
We got pee-pee plushies. Did you get those?
Oh, those what you said. That's what Didi was talking about.
Did you get it on film?
Oh, no.
No, I'm about to.
Let's talk about.
They have so many stuff. It's crazy out here.
Both colors.
Yeah, that's what I was trying. But they had more.
He said they got blue colors.
We don't choose one side every day, verse.
Yeah, because you gotta wait. We need some more tamales. I mean tortillas, because they're gonna be gone, ate up, man.
So this is I believe
We just bought some
schooling or nothing.
tamales. I mean, we bought some
I'm saying,
tortillas.
but where would they be if it wasn't summer?
I don't know.
Out here washing cars?
Yeah, probably.
Well, Pear,
That
swallow
lady
it.
got burritos back there too. The lady in Soda.
That's what I was
can.
trying to see.
Yeah, I'm about to have some burritos.
I'm about to jump out.
Yeah, you see, it's
so we
hard.
get over it, but that thing's like 50 feet in the air.
Yeah,
Yeah, when you stand down below it, you're like.
you get like a.
Whoever knew that we'll make it this far? Whoever knew we'll be up in this car?